Howdy ho, campers. Today I'm going to be talking to you about oregano essential oil, or as you'd say in America, oregano. Now, this is one of the oils that you may not use every day, but I would never let my household go without it. This oil is extremely potent. It's antiviral, antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiseptic, anti-bloom, and everything. In fact, it's been used for many different ways throughout the centuries, not only in cooking, but in hospitals they used to use oregano to get rid of staph infections. And in some countries, including the USA, chicken farmers are now giving their chickens oregano essential oil because the antibiotics aren't working. And did you know since then, KFC only has 10 secret herbs and spices? But anyway, jokes all aside, oregano is a really potent oil that you're not going to probably use every day, nor will you need to use it every day. But when you're feeling really, really lousy, that's when you want to get it out. Now, how do you use oregano essential oil? You can use it aromatically, but as I said before, it's probably not the best smelling oil, and it may not smell too good in the diffuser. You may want to make, the immunity bomb and put a little bit of that in with the frankincense, lemon, on guard, and your tea tree. And you can put a drop or two in there, but it's probably not going to be something you put straight in your diffuser. How we use it most in our household is we either use it topically or we use it internally. So how would we use it topically? So there's a couple of different ways. First of all, oregano is what's considered a hot oil. It's one that must be diluted. So in the doTERRA range at this point in time, we have 5 hot oils. We have oregano, we have thyme, we have clove, we have cinnamon and cassia. Now these are very spicy and hot oils, and putting them direct on the skin could cause a bit of like redness or burning or stinging. So what we want to do is we want to dilute that with our fractionated coconut oil. Oregano is really quite potent, so what you want to do is you only want just 1 drop of that and a squirt of your fractionated coconut oil. And where I would use that is I apply that to my feet. Now when I'm feeling really lousy, really sick, can't get out of bed, that type of thing. So I use my On Guard every day to boost my immune system, but if I need that extra boost, that's where oregano is there. It's like the Terminator. You call it in to wipe out the big baddies. Now you can just rub it all over your feet, or if there's a certain area of your body that's giving you grief, Google a reflexology chart and rub it into the right part of the foot, and that can really help that way. Now, if that seems a bit too complex for you, doTERRA has a touch range, and basically what they've done is they've mixed different essential oils with the best proportion of fractionated coconut oil, so you get the most effectiveness. So you can just get your roller and roll it on the back of your neck if you want it in the immune system there, or on the bottom of your feet. And that's really safe. It's safe for children and adults. So the oregano touch can be another way to use it topically. Now you can take it internally as well, whereas other ones, sometimes I will just pop things like Digestion straight under my tongue, or frankincense or copaiba under my tongue. I have that every day. But you can also use the veggie caps, which come from doTERRA. So these are just empty vegetable cellulose tablets. You take the lid off, put 2 drops of the oregano, or God, I'm sounding American, oregano in there, and swallow that. And that's basically, as I said, use oregano when you're feeling really lousy. Don't use this one every day. I often call it nature's antibiotic. And we don't want to take antibiotics every day because we know it has such a potent influence on our system. You don't have to worry about the negative effects of antibiotics, but oregano, it's that potent, you will just want it when you want that final knockout punch. So I hope that's really excited you about oregano. Some people tend to wonder, why on earth did it make it into this pack of the top 10 oils? There's a very good reason for it. And trust me, you'll need it, and you'll be glad you have it when you end up using it.